Welcome back to another video, guys. My name is Ben from Flow Brackets, and today I'm going to show you how to put Australian number plates onto a Ford Everest. If you haven't already checked out our video on the front install and how to delete your OEM plinth, go and check that out now. But for today, we're going to be concentrating on the rear of this car. If you've got up to this point, you've probably already realized that mounting Australian number plates onto the back of this car is a bit of a problem, because you've got this hole and this hole which don't align with any of the holes into this plate, which makes you wonder if you should be drilling into your number plate in the center to be mounting it on. That's considered illegal. You never want to drill through a letter and you might get pulled over for it. The solution: buy a number plate bracket that bolts onto those two holes and then attach your number plate. So all that you'll need to do is identify what number plate that you have and pick up the bracket that matches the style and size of your number plate. In this case, it'll be a Victorian Slimline, so you'll need an SL2. If you had a standard bracket, you get a standard plate. If you had a Euro plate, you get a Euro bracket. Heritage plate, then you get a Heritage bracket. So the process is pretty simple. Once you identify what bracket you need, bolt it onto those holes, no modification required. The kit comes with all the hardware that's made out of black stainless steel. And that's it. Installation is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is grab the M6 bolts from the fitting kit and the two spacers as well. I'm just gonna show you how to do that now. What you want to do is pop the M6 bolt into the middle row on the outer slot, hold the bolt in place, then put on your self-clinching spacer. It self-clinches so that it doesn't rattle and fall off when you're trying to install it. Do the same on the other side. Hold the bolt so it doesn't fall out, turn it over, install the spacer, again self-clinching, and it won't rattle off when you're trying to install. Use the line markings that are in the bracket to help align it to where you want to go, and screw it on. Just install it a little bit looser so that you can use the line markings in the bracket to make sure that you're completely center. All that's left to do is grab your number plate and bolt it on to the bracket. That's the cleanest way you're going to get floating number plates onto a Ford Everest without drilling into your metal tailgate or your beautiful number plates. And best of all, it's legal. Hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.